Alright, at the water, back at Cherry Point. Haven't been here in a while. Here's my dad over there. Nice day at the water. Mountains in the background, islands in Pacific Northwest, Washington State. So I'm just enjoying the sights. Going rock picking. Try going berry picking today, but the raspberries aren't ready yet. So come in by the water and check it out. Now this is the place where I filmed that cool sunset like 2 years ago. One Scrap Culture commented on. It was pretty cool. This is the place right here. And down there is where the oil refinery is. Another one back there. This is a cool and nice spot. This is the ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. And right now it's high tide, but it's pretty cool.